I'm John McGrath, and this is my masterclass on future-focused PPM. Project, program, and portfolio management is constantly changing. The internal drivers of this change is an understanding in both public and private sector organizations that PPM is an effective vehicle to execute strategy, foster innovation, and drive continuous improvement throughout the organization. The external driver of this emphasis and the changing nature of PPM are megatrends such as digital transformation, sustainability, and globalisation. And also world events such as Brexit, COVID-19, and climate change are causing organisations to look to increase their project management maturity and capability. When we look back at the last 10 years of PPM, the game changer was the explosion of Agile. The adoption of Agile went from Agile software development to Agile project management, and we are now in the era of Agile organizations. The next 10 years in the world of PPM are going to change even more so, and those changes are certainly a little harder to predict. But they are starting to emerge, and that is the focus of this masterclass. Some of the topics that I will be discussing are the transition from PMO to SRO. We are seeing a new breed of PMO. The SRO is an enhancement of a traditional PMO with a much greater focus on strategic planning and execution. Future-focused organizations are starting to recognize that strategic execution and your PPM capability are two sides of the same coin. We are also seeing more traditional strategy tools such as the balanced scorecard becoming a regular tool in an enterprise PPM. We are seeing traditional project analytics being enhanced by predictive analytics as technology is enhanced for more streamlined project controls. We are seeing a much greater focus on systems consolidation as organizations look to have one enterprise PPM capability, giving them a single version of the truth. We are seeing the emergence of project controls possibly as a separate discipline that will complement existing project management capabilities in your organization. We are going to see an explosion in the harnessing of new technologies such as artificial intelligence and robotic process automation. These are just some of the topics that we will be discussing in this masterclass, and I hope you can join me. Thank you.